Thursday Events is a relatively new dating application with a slight twist compared to the regular dating app scene. If you want to start using this application, just open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on Search. And now you can type in Thursday Events Dating to begin your search. Once you see the Thursday Events by the Thursday company, you can tap on this application and you may check out the various details about this app. And if you decide to install it, simply tap on Install. This will now begin downloading and installing the application on your device. You can tap on the Auto Open toggle if you wish to automatically launch the application once the installation is completed. Now, once the application is launched, you can simply search for your city, turn on notifications, and now just tap on the ticket icon at the bottom right corner to begin your sign up or sign in process. You can also check out the various events happening in your area without signing up. And that is how you can download and install the Thursday Events dating app on your smartphone. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.